Hey guys, I'm trying an experiment. The first time boogie boarding. Oh, this is like it. First time boogie boarding in Hawaii. I haven't done it for a few years. Let's give it a go, shall we? This could be bad. This could be really bad. So, what we gotta do is wait for the right time. I got I'm struggling because I'm holding the camera here. Oh, this is the one that helps. Where is it? There it is. Here we go. You made it come forward. That's a good thing. For the first one, in a long time. That was a good one. Oh, good wave. I like that wave. That was perfect size for us to start. We shall try that again. Perfect. Try it one more time. Board underneath me. Alright, here we go. Wait for one. One of those would have been good. Waiting for the right one. Oh, I see a couple good. I see a couple on. Alright. Get ourselves a little bit situated sideways here. Oh, I see it. Okay. Too late on that one. There we go. Oh, I like this one. No. Almost. I see a nice one coming up here. I see a nice one. Should be. Oh, good night. Last time I did this, I had fins. It was a little bit easier. We'll give this one more go, and we'll get a real good one coming up. Ooh, this is a nice one. This is it. I'll see you. Ooh, I see something over here. There it is. Oh, I see a really good one. It's hidden. It's gone. I thought it was a good one, but it's gone. Too early. Alright. We're missing over here. There's a wave. Where is... Oh. And I only missed it. Ooh. Okay. Okay. I'm too deep. I'm too deep. I'm cool. Well, it's a good wave when we need him, huh? Oh, I think this is a good one. Is it a really good one? Yes. Oh, over the reach. Yeah, that's a good one. Whoa. That's Hawaii for you. That was fun. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Merry Christmas. Well, when you see this, it's Christmas Eve. But when you see this, it won't be.